Okay, parents and students, those of you that are having difficulty finding ClassLink, um, if you have your computer on and all you see is a blue screen with the Google Chrome icon, click on the Google Chrome icon to open it up. And this is what you should see, your Google homepage. You have your URL space, and in that you're going to type in ClassLink. I'm not even typing in the blue part, I'm just putting ClassLink, and I'm going to push enter. I should see a list of ClassLink possibilities. I'm going to choose the Pasadena portal. I click on it and it's going to say acceptable use. You can close that and you should see sign into ClassLink. Put in your username. Your student's username is their initials and their student ID. It's what they use to sign into the computer. It is the same thing. So you sign in. I'm going to put in my password and click enter. Once you do that, give it a second. You can see a bunch of tiles. You will not have the same number of tiles as I do, but you will have a few. You find the tile that says Google Classroom. Click on that. And you are going to see several tiles that look like this. Just like in the video that you have, there's going to be buttons here. It's going to say decline or join, or it may say decline, accept. You want to push the join button or the accept button, whichever one yours show. You're going to do that for each tile that you see. Once you have accepted all of the tiles, then you're going to look for your onboarding tile and you're going to click on it. It's going to tell you that I have posted some assignments. Some of the assignments are just refreshers of the how-to videos. But the activity assignments that your student will do for today's assignment is you're going to have one about internet safety. So you're going to click on it. It has the directions and the videos and the activity that your student should do for internet safety today. It has the directions and then you click on each one following the directions. Okay, so you're going to have 3 things in this one. That is internet safety. Then under onboarding in this section, you're going to have a video about how to get to the All About Me activity. Once you watch the video, you're going to do the All About Me activity. These are the 2 assignments that your students have due today. If your student finishes it, they can go into each of the tiles to see all of the assignments because that is where we're going to be working every single day. There is also a writing assignment that they can work on. Okay, so there are things for them to do. Hopefully this will help.